Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 20th video of our Golang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the strings and runes. If you haven't watched that one, please look into that. Today we are going to discuss about struct. Structs are very important when we are learning about the Go. Right, Go's struct are typed collections of fields. They are useful for grouping data together to form records. Okay, first I will show you how to create the struct. Then, when I am doing the examples, I will explain what are the things that we can do using the structs. Right? Okay. If you want to create a struct, we can use the keyword called type, and then we can give any name to here, like I am giving person, and then we want to say this is a struct using the struct keyword. Right? In here, we can add any type parameters, like these are actually attributes, right? Person has a name, type is string, right? And also person has age, type is int. Likewise, we can add several attributes to the struct, right? And this is the way that we can create the struct, right? Struct way we can get the struct, right? Okay, then if you want to create a struct with the values, right? How we can pass values to this struct. Using this one, we can pass fmt.println person, right? Then we want to assign values. Using these bases, we can't use pass values. Like in this way, we can pass values to this person struct. Name is age is 25. In this way, we can pass values to the struct, right? In here you can get the output. This is one way, and also another way we can pass the values. We can assign this is a name, right? We can say this is a name, this is the age, like in this way, right? I will show another example. Okay, then I can change the order here, right? Age is 27, right? Name Bob. Like in this way, we can change the order. Then we are saying that age is 27 and name is Bob, right? Like in this way, we can initialize the values to the struct, right? Okay. Another thing is that if we are not mentioning some values to the struct, like in this way, I am doing some example. I am creating the person without the age. Without the age, right? Person, name, comma, right? Then we will see what is the output. The age is not defined here. Then it gets the default value, right? The default value is 0, right? Hope you have got the clear understanding of those things, right? Okay. Then we can create a function and use that struct as well. I am put in this function func new person, right? New person, and here we want to pass the name, right, to create the person, and also the age, right? Age. In here I am returning some pointer person, right? We already know about the pointers, that's why the reason I am putting those things together, right? Okay, now I am creating a person called P, right? Like in this way we can create simple format here, name and age I am passing like in this way, right? And then I am returning the what is address of P, right? Okay, then if you want to call to this new person, how we can call to this person? We can simply call in like this way, fmt dot println, right? fmt dot println. I am calling new person, and then I want to pass some name here, ABC and 50, right? Okay, I am running this code, and it will display this output, right? This output. What is the output? And ABC, right? Because in here we are returning the pointer, right? Okay, then I am creating a variable called P, right? Then I am creating a new person with name is X, age is 22, right? These are very simple, right? If we want to get the if I am printing like in this way, right? Using the P, right? Using the P, if I am printing like in this way, we can get this output, right? Because in the new person return the address of the person, right? We already have discussed those things in the pointers lecture, right? Okay, then if we want to access the name, how we can access the name? Using the dot operator we can access, right? Using the dot operator we can access. In here I have get the age, and then fmt dot println p dot name, like in this, right? Now age is 22, right? Name is X, right? Same way we can create another variable Q, right? I am directly call to the person, right? Without returning the pointer, I am passing some name as Y, 10, right? Age. In here, using this Q, how we can get the name and the age? Using dot operator, same, right? Q dot name, fmt dot println, Q dot age, right? This is the way that we can access the attributes of that struct, right? In here, if we want to assign the value, again, like in this q.age, I want to assign 20, right? Then I am printing empty dot println q. What is the output now? Output is y and 20 because we have modified the struct values here, right? Those things are very simple. And also another thing, we can simply create the struct like in this as example animal, right? We can simply create the struct like in this say animal. Animal has a name, right? String and color, string, right? Then we can pass attribute values in this way, right? Rex color is red, right? Then if we print the animal here, what is the output? This is the output, right? This is the simple way, right? We call this anonymous struct. This is a simple way that we can create the struct, right? Those things are very important when we are learning about the struct. In here we haven't given a name to the struct, that's why we are calling this kind of struct as anonymous struct, right? Okay, if you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel, please share these things to friends, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you, bye.